Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech House. Today we are comparing Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra and Galaxy Tab S10 Ultra. There is no much difference with tablets. Let's see this full video. Starting with body features. Both two tablets come with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. Both two tablets come with 14.6 inches Dynamic AMOLED 2x display with 120Hz refresh rate. Hardware features. Both tablets are powered by the MediaTek chipset. Let's compare the camera features. Next, compare the battery features. Let's compare the sound and other features. These devices include 5G connectivity, GPS, Wi-Fi, speakers and Bluetooth 5.4. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.